Budgie.
It's Friday the 13th at night.
Can we watch EO on the 18th?
Open, please.
On 18th?
Right, we can try.
Okay.
Shh. We had every excuse not to brush our teeth. Close a little.
Oh.
And we tried our best, and we did a lot today, but it's still not over. Until it's over. Please put that down. Close a little. And every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. I need to loosen up. Okay, let's try to make this as relax.
Aha!
Close a little. Close. Come on. This is not easy. This is not something that's just going to be done for us. But it is a fact of life. Close a little. Okay, good job. Done. Now we floss. Okay, open. Job not done. Yes. Please help me help you. Open. I had popcorn. Spit. Please. Thank you. Okay. Come on. Job not done. Come on. Okay.